If a debtor files for Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the debtor may request an accounting by which its creditor must produce evidence to support the debt that the creditor is asserting against the debtor. In Jones v. Wells Fargo Bank, the court considered whether a creditor must prove that the charges and fees assessed to a Chapter 13 debtor are reasonable. Michael Jones owed a mortgage debt held by Wells Fargo Bank and secured by Jones's home. After Wells Fargo had begun the foreclosure process against Jones, Jones filed for Chapter 13 bankruptcy. As part of the bankruptcy proceedings, Wells Fargo filed a proof of claim stating that Jones owed more than $22,000 in past due mortgage payments, late charges, foreclosure fees, and other related expenses. Thereafter, at Jones's request, Wells Fargo provided a total payoff amount of about $230,000. But Wells Fargo didn't provide an explanation of how it calculated the payoff amount. Nonetheless, Jones was forced to pay the payoff amount. Jones subsequently requested another accounting of the payoff amount, which revealed that Wells Fargo had made several accounting errors and overcharged Jones as a result. Wells Fargo had also added several postpetition charges and fees to Jones's arrearage, such as inspection fees, attorney's fees, and statutory expenses. However, Wells Fargo never amended its proof of claim and never provided any evidence to justify the postpetition charges or demonstrate that they were reasonable. Jones instituted an adversary proceeding against Wells Fargo, seeking a full accounting of the amount he owed. Soon after, Wells Fargo reimbursed Jones more than $7,000 of excess funds. At trial, Wells Fargo offered some evidence to support its accounting, but Jones objected to the assessment of the postpetition inspection fees, attorney's fees, and statutory expenses. The bankruptcy court considered Jones's objection.